Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learning Base Academy. Welcome to Learning Base Academy. This is our live class. I hope you are ready for class. I hope you are ready for class. Welcome to class, everyone. 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 If you can hear me, type 1000 in the chat. If you can hear me, type 1000 in the chat. Type 1000 in the chat if you can hear me. Type 1000 in the chat if you can hear me. Everyone, type 1000 in the chat if you can hear me. All right, I hope we are ready for class. One more thing you need to do for me. If you can hear me, type your name in the chat. If you can hear me, type your name in the chat. In the chat if you can hear me. Type your name in the chat if you can hear me now. Everybody, type your name in the chat if you can hear me. Awesome, awesome. All right, so let's take our self affirmation. As our culture is at Learning Base Academy, we take our self affirmation. Every day and in every way, I am getting better and better, wiser and wiser, smarter and smarter, stronger and stronger, richer and richer, healthier and healthier. I am rich in knowledge. I am the best. Okay, so I believe everyone can hear me. All right, so let's go ahead and write today's date. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Monday, the 16th of June, 2025. Monday, 16th June 2025, and we will be treating quantitative reasoning. and mathematics. I believe your pen and your book are ready beside you. Monday, 16th June 2025. Okay, so we have quantitative reasoning. All right, so we're going to be having some examples on the screen, and I want everybody to think about it. Let's think about how to figure out each number in the diagram. Now for the first one, I have 2 and an exclamation mark equals 2 times 1 equals 2. If I have 4 and an exclamation mark, this exclamation mark in mathematics is called factora. It is called factora, all right? So 4 factora is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Just like you have 4, 3, 2, 1, and you multiply them by each other. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 times 1 is 24. Now, if we have 6 factora, 6 factora, 3, 2, and 1, and 20. I think, simply put, I have explained what the examples are talking about. I've been able to explain what the examples have said. All right. Now let's look at some exercises. Let's solve some questions together. Now let's do this. Now do this. Number 1. If I have 3 factorial plus 5 factorial, what will our answer be? I have some options. A, 6, B, 8, C, 15, D, 120, E, 126. So what will our answer be? I hope you're following. If you can hear me, please type 50 in the chat. Type 50 in the chat. If you can hear me, type 50 in the chat. If you can hear me, type 50 in the chat. If you can hear me clearly, type 50 in the chat. Everyone, type 50 in the chat. Okay, I also want others who can't hear to know that others can hear. All right, so if you can hear me, please help type I can hear you. Please type I can hear you. If you can hear me, type I can hear you. Awesome. Awesome. All right, that's amazing. Now let us solve the question on the screen. I have 3 factorial. Like I said, that this exclamation mark that is beside each number means factorial. It means factorial. Now, I have 3 factorial plus 5 factorial. What do we mean by 3 factorial? This is what we mean. It means starting from 3, counting down to 1. 3, 2, 1. Multiply each number by the other. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. So that is 6. All right. Plus 5 factorial. Let us deal with 5 factorial starting from 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Multiply each number by the other. Multiply each number by the other. All right, so this is 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 3 is 60. 60 times 2 is 120, and 120 times 1 is equal to 120. All right, so it means we are going to add 6 to 120. So 6 plus 120 is equal to 126. So it is 126. It means the option is option E. The correct answer is option E. All right, everyone, go ahead and write what you can see on my screen. Write down what you can see on my screen. Once you're done writing, type done in the chat. Type done in the chat. All right, thank you everyone for being done. Good job, everyone. So let's move on to the next question. So I'm moving on to the next question. So we'll be in question 2. Now, for question 2, we have 6 factorial. Sorry, it's pronounced as factorial. 6 factorial divided by 4 factorial. What will the answer be? I have some options. My options are A, 3, B, 24, C, 30, D, 240, and E, 720. So what would be the correct answer? Now let's show our workings. 6 factorial means writing down 6 down to 1, then multiply all the numbers together. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is 6 factorial. All right? Divided by 4 factorial. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Like you're counting down from 4 to 1. That is the meaning of 4 factorial. And when you count down from 6 to 1, that is 6 factorial. So we need to multiply and divide. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 times 4 is 120. 120 times 3, that's 360. 360 times 2, that will give us 720 times 1, we have 720. Divided by, now 4 factorial. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 times 1 is 24. So let us reduce it to the lowest term. 24 can divide. 24 goes into 24, that will give us 1. When for 24 divides 72, that will be 3 times. Then by 0, we write 0. So our answer is 30. From the option, the correct answer is option C. The correct answer is option C. All right, without a waste of time, I believe you're writing. I'm moving on to question 3. Now, the next one that I have here is 3 factorial plus 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. What will the answer be? You want to ask Mrs. Grace if she has some options. So these are my options: A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4, E, 5. What will our answer be? All right, so let's do it together. 3 factorial means count down 3 to 1 and multiply the numbers by each other. 3 times 2 times 1. This is 3 factorial plus 2 factorial 2 times 1. Put it in brackets, divided by 2 factorial, 2 times 1. Counting down 2 to 1. Now let us solve it. 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 times 1 is 2, divided by 2. So 6 plus 2 will give us 8, and 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So from the option D is our answer. So the correct answer is in option D. I hope you are getting it. I'm going to be giving you VIP questions. Whoever wants to be a VIP must post the answer in the chat. You must post your answer and your name in the chat. This is how you should post your answer and your name. If my name is Peter, I will type Peter, boy, and my answer. So I have Peter, I'm a boy, and this is my answer. If my name is Nelly, as a girl, I'll post Nelly, girl, and if my answer is 11, I will write 11. This is how you should post any comment for me in the chat. Now, VIP questions. Let's see if the boys will win or the girls will win. Take note, you have to pay attention. All right, you have to pay attention. Make sure you do your calculations rightly and ensure you write the correct answer. All right, so first VIP question. First VIP question. I'm only going to call the first 10 pupils. I'll only call the first 10 pupils. So if your name is among the first 10 pupils, you'll be one of our VIPs. All right? Are we good? I believe you are ready. Here is the first question, number 1. 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. What is the answer? Options A, 1, B, 4, C, 12, D, 18, E, 144. What is the correct answer? Make sure you show your workings in your exercise book. All right? Let's see the correct answer. Make sure you write your gender. If you don't write your gender, I'm not going to mention your name. I've showed you how to post your response in the chat. All right? So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. What is the correct answer? What is the correct answer? Post your answer in the chat. Make sure your gender, your name, your gender, and your answers are together. Yes, Ebuka, your answer is correct. Ebuka is a boy. Fire is also a boy. Your answer is correct. Laughter is also a boy. Your answer is correct. Finyi is a boy. Your answer is correct. We are having lots of boys. Now we have Chimdi, girl. Chimdi, girl. Your answer is correct. Michelle, girl. Your answer is correct. We have 4 boys and 2 girls. Amara, girl. Your answer is correct. Timileyin Aremu, girl. Your answer is correct. Now we have 4 boys and 4 girls with correct answer. Theophilus, boy. Now we have 5 boys. Zikora, girl. Now we have 5 girls. All right. So boys and girls, you are winners. Okay. So let me call others whose answers are correct. Jesufia Yokumi, correct. Daniel, correct. God's time, your answer is correct. Abraham, praise, your answer is correct. Benis, your answer is correct. Desiree or Desire, your answer is correct. Balkis, your answer is correct. Tajiri, your answer is correct. Onyedike, your answer is correct. Favor, Amira, Stephen, Emmanuel, your answer is correct. Praise, correct. Dara, correct. Ogunyomade, correct. Nathaniel, correct. Precious, correct. David, correct. Emmanuel Sarah, correct. All right, so let's do this together. 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Minus 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. So 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, 24 times 1 is 24, minus 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 1 is 6. 24 minus 6 is equal to 18. So the correct answer is option D. Correct answer is option D. I hope you understand. Now, second VIP question. The second VIP question. Let's look at the second VIP question. Now I have, let's see who's going to get this right. If 3 factorial times n is equal to 3, what is n? What is n? So what will the answer be? I have some options here. Option A, 3. Make sure you do your workings in your exercise book. This is an equation. Option B is 2. C, 1. D, half. E, 0. What is the correct answer? What is the correct answer? Do your workings very well before posting your answer in the chat. I'm expecting your answer in the chat. I'm expecting your answer in the chat, everyone. Show your workings very well and type in your answer in the chat. All right. Okay. All right. So I can see some answers in the chat. That's fine. That's good. Good job for your effort. Make sure you showed your workings before posting your answer. Okay. So let's do the corrections together to know those who got the answers right, to know those who will become the VIP. All right. So 3 factorial times n equals 3. So what is 3 factorial? That is 3 times 2 times 1 to be multiplied by n equals 3. So 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 1, 6. Then 6 times n, that is 6 times n, 6n. Okay, to find the value of n, we have to divide both sides by 6. So n is equal to 3 divided by 6. 3 goes into 3, that is 1. 3 goes into 6, that is 2. So the answer is equal to 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 is the correct answer. That is option D. Let's see those who got the answer right. Make sure you don't follow others. Laughter, boy, correct. Tajiri, girl, correct. God's time, okay, God's time, your answer is not correct. Only laughter and Tajiri. Nsi, girl, we have 2 girls now. Akinpelu, Jesu fi Ayokunmi, boy. Now we have 2 boys, 2 girls. Okay. Emmanuel, no gender. Okay. Then, if you don't have your gender, your name will not be called. Abdul Jabbar, boy, correct. Half. Good. So those are the people who were able to post the answer quickly. If I called your name that your answer was correct, you are a VIP. You are a VIP. Now the next VIP question. Make sure you show your workings. Copy the corrections from my screen. If for E4 factorial times x is equal to 48, find x. What is the value of x? I'll be having options. Option is 24, B 12, C 3, D 1, E 2. What will the answer be? Make sure you show your workings in your exercise book before posting your answer in the comment section. Show your workings in the exercise book before posting your answer in the comment section. Make sure you do it very well. Okay, the answers are already coming in. Make sure you are typing the correct answer. Do not try to copy other people's answer because they may not be correct. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We are going to do the corrections together. All right, let's do the corrections together. 4 factorial times x gives us 48. So what's the meaning of 4 factorial? Count down 4 to 1. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 multiplied by x equals 48. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 2, 24. 24 times 1 is 24. So we have 24 times x equals 48. That means 24 times 2 or 24 times something gives us 48. So we need to divide both sides by 24. X is equal to 48 divided by 24, and our answer is 2. So the correct option is 2. So let's see those who became the VIP for the third VIP question. Timileyin Aremu, girl, correct. Jesufia Yokumi, boy, correct. Laughter, boy, correct. Fire, boy, correct. Now we have 3 boys, 1 girl. Tumishe, okay, that answer is not correct. Okay. Finyi, boy, correct. Unsi, girl, correct. Chimdi, girl, correct. Now we have 3 girls, 5 boys. Ayodeji, your answer is not correct. Ama's girl, correct. All right. Ebuka, boy, correct. Okay, those were the people who posted their answer before I was done counting. Anioluwa, correct. Tumishe, boy, correct. All right, so write down what you have on my screen. You can always come back to this channel to attend the class again and again. I hope you learned something in tonight's class. Thank you all for coming to class. I'll see you again some other time. Have a wonderful time. Goodbye.